Hello and good evening. We're going to try this again and maybe we won't lose internet connection. This is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and I'm here live in my greenhouse at Exotic Gardening Farm and Wildlife Habitat here in Marion, Indiana. It is saying my connection is weak, so I apologize. Hopefully we won't lose. I wanted to show you this Hoya bloom. Okay. I'm going to go up and show it to you like that. Very nice. I just noticed the bloom today when we put the grow light in up there. I do need to tell you I did receive that for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. So that is the Cherry Blossom series, and that is actually CB003. I also want to show you, for those of you that have never seen this little guy right here by my thumb is a Hoya bloom. I'm sorry, bud. I'm really with it tonight, as you can tell. It's not the only one that I have, though. Where did I notice that other one today? Let me move back here. Okay, there it is. All the way up there. See it hanging there? Okay, that's going to be another one of those gorgeous Hoya flowers. And I don't know how long until they bloom, but I will definitely keep you updated. Behind me here are some bananas. I'm really hoping that this grow light will help them bloom, because I think banana flowers are beautiful, and I just like to have them to say I did it here in Indiana, where they don't normally grow. However, these are Musa Bajou. I brought them inside because I'm not quite ready to deal with mulching and stuff outside, but if I did want to mulch them, they would live outside in the ground year-round here in Indiana. They will survive in Zone 5 as long as you mulch them really, really well. Down here, I have a lemon eucalyptus. Back here, I have a bird of paradise, some cannas. This over here is a passiflora. So lots of things going on in here. Before I lose connection, I'm going to